So let's do a quick overview here. This is the first page you'll see when you sign into CryptoSuite, and we're going to have all the main actual coins up here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and we're going to be able to see what's happening in the marketplace right now with them. And you can see today we've had a drop in Bitcoin, so actually now it's a pretty damn good time to actually buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, because we've had another drop again. And I believe it's going to go through the roof, but again, that's my opinion. We can't tell the future, but we can do the best we can by using CryptoSuite to actually, I guess, best estimate what's going to happen. So down here, some of my favorite areas of this whole tool, and while it looks simple, pulling this information is something that no other tool does. We can go out and we actually screen every cryptocurrency through all the different exchanges to see which ones have had the biggest change. So today, Concoin, Theresime Coin, Network Token, etc., they're all here as the top gainers. So this has had 178% increase in the past 24 hours, which is pretty insane. Ethereum Movie Venture has had a drop of 80%. Yesterday, this one was going through the roof. It was in the top gainers, and now it's dropped. So again, we're going to be talking about that through this course: when to get in, when to get out, how to actually monitor this stuff, and so on and so forth. But you can see here what's the best ones that gained today, which ones are the worst or have dropped the most today. And when coins drop, it's not necessarily bad. It's often the best time to go and buy cryptocurrency in those actual coins if they have some proof behind them that they are an actual solid coin to invest in. Because again, the problem everyone does, they buy when it's high and they sell when it's low. Just like any form of investing, that's not the way to do it. You buy when it's low and you sell when it's high. So there we go there. Now we're going to go over to crypto markets here. And we're going to go here and we can see again all the different types of coins here. And we can go on and see everything that's happening with all the different coins available. Now if we want to search for a specific coin like WePower, for example, it's an energy coin. We're going to search for that here. It pulls it here. It shows what's happening right now. And we can click on it and see exactly what this coin is, what it does. We can view their live Twitter stream. We can see the historical data of this coin. We can see graphs and charts of how it's all going and really understand what's happening now. Things like market cap and the price and the changes, etc. We're going to talk about this in future videos. This is a quick rundown again of all the different modules inside here. We can actually go ahead and buy this actual cryptocurrency here as well. Moving on from here though, we're going to go to alerts. Alerts is one of the most powerful features inside of CryptoSuite, where we can go out and trigger alerts that will email us and actually add it to our dashboard here inside of CryptoSuite when coins meet certain criteria. So say for example, I want to know when Bitcoin price drops by $1,000 in the last 24 hours, for example. I want to create that alert, so it's going to alert me when it drops by $1,000 in the last 24 hours. So if it ever drops below if it drops by $1,000, then I'm going to get an email sent to my phone, and it's also going to be added to my dashboard saying, "Bing, bing, bing, Luke, you need to see this. Now's the time to buy because it has dropped." So that's one example there. We can do filtered alerts here as well. So we can go through these and we can go alert me when the top gainers when a market cap above, let's say, 100 million, and a change is above 10%. So say a coin with a market cap of $100 million. Again, we'll talk about market caps in future videos. And we're going to actually add in a section here where it's done for you with the average market cap and whatnot, so you don't even have to worry about that. But if a coin has a crazy, has a 10% increase in, let's say 100 million, if I say I'm going to create that alert, and it's going to go ahead and add it into here. And again, I'm going to be told when that happens. So I can be alerted when coins are about to go viral or they're starting to go viral, so I can get in on that trend as it is happening. Again, anyone that tells you they can tell the future in crypto, no one can really do that unless you know the insider tradings, which I'll talk about later as well. But this is going to give you the best case scenario of being able to basically estimate what's going to do the best for you. So I'm going to leave that there for you guys to play around with that there. Now go ahead and set up some actual alerts there. Now portfolio, sorry. this is a place where we can come into and actually track our processes. So again, I'm asking you guys to go through all the training videos here and see the videos of how to get set up a wallet, how to buy your first Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. Then when we buy them, we're going to come into our portfolio here and we're going to add them in. So I'm going to add in, say I'm going to buy Bitcoin, I'm going to buy at $10,000 US, and I bought one, and I bought it today. The software itself here is going to pull the information of what the actual price of a Bitcoin was on today's date, because I'm saying I bought it today. I'm going to go ahead and add that transaction, and you can see I've currently made a profit of $809. If I bought it for $10,000 today, it's already gone by $800. Already made $800 profit. Tells me my profit here, what my profit percentage is here. We've already had the request, so we can see what our profit is over the past week, month, day, etc. So we're going to add that in as well. But you can go in here and add in all your different types of cryptocurrencies. No problem at all. We're just going to go search coins up here. So I want to do Ethereum. Go up here and find my Ethereum. And then we can go ahead and add that in here as well. So it's as simple as that. And then we'll come back to our portfolio and we'll see all of our different actual coins will be added in here. It's that damn simple. So from there, we're going to move on to the next tab, which is news. And the news tab is actually going, oh, there we go. Just did it last minute. So we select that coin, say I bought Dash, same thing. And I'm going to add that in there. Boom, and now it's added in there as well. Now again, that was just random figures just to show you guys how it's been added in here. And it's going to track our actual profit. So if I actually bought that for that, I would have lost $84,000. But that's not what we're doing, and that would never happen, guys. So next is news. A good thing to come into every single day and check out is what's happening in the crypto world. The news tab here pulls the most viral and popular articles every single day as it happens. You can see 39 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. We can see what's happening with this cryptocurrency world. Like here's a cool one. Popular Ethereum casino now offers 1,000 gambling games. So if you guys don't know, cryptocurrency is being used a lot in gambling. There's one cryptocurrency at the time of this video, it's about to come out in about a couple of weeks, called Luckbox. Gambling on esports, which is like professional video gaming, I guess. So it's a pretty cool concept there as well. We won't get into that now because I'm getting distracted with all this crazy world of cryptocurrency. Now we have arbitrage here. This is going to look a lot nicer for you guys very, very soon, and I'll do an updated video separately of this. But basically what this does here, it pulls all the different actual exchanges up here, the key exchanges up here for Bitcoin, and down the side here as well. And what it allows us to do is see which exchanges are selling Bitcoin at what prices. Every exchange is going to sell it slightly different, just like a currency exchange. But the really cool thing with this is, and sometimes you'll be able to see that you can buy Bitcoin, say, for $10,000 at Coinbase, and you can, and then people are buying Bitcoin at Bitfinex for $10,500. So I show you guys here how to buy for $10,000 and then go to Bitfinex and then sell for $10,500. You make $500 profit instantly without having to do anything at all. But again, I'm going to make this look a lot more sexy for you guys very shortly. Just at the time of this video, I wanted to get some content in there for you guys so you get an idea of everything that's happening. Now we're going to have an ICO calendar here, which means initial coin offering. That's going to basically show us what's coming in the future, what new coins are coming out, what they're backed by, whether to invest in them or not. We have our VIP group as well, which will be it'll say VIP group here. Click on that, jump in there, get accepted for it, guys. I'm going to bring in some of the world's biggest cryptocurrency people into that group, so that's going to be a lot of fun as well. And we can all connect and ask questions and share a lot of information of what's happening in the marketplace there. And obviously, we have the support section down here as well, where you can open tickets. Firstly, go through the group, go through the trainings, go through the facts, then open a support ticket, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So in saying that, let's get started with CryptoSuite. Thank you so much for being here again. This is going to be a lot of fun, and if you have any recommendations of what you want added, please let me know, because I and my team are here to serve you. So let's get this started, guys.